I still wanted to mention it.
Alright. Just put a little drop more left in there.
Show us what it is that you're putting in there.
Methylated spirits.
I'll put the name of that in the description.
For a fuel source.
Yeah, put it in there. Don't fill up too much though. Did you refill the tank?
No, there's still water in the tank, so it should be okay.
So it should heat up the water in the tank to make steam power. It should make this...
To make the piston go.
Yeah, to make the piston go so it can make the wheel and that spin. That's what makes steam trains go.
Might have to give it a little kickstart though.
Yeah, you'll probably have to spin it a little bit, then after that it should just spin on its own. Until it runs out of water steam to run on.
Needs a bit of heating up.
So. Okay, you might want to turn your volume down like right now, because this next bit might be very, very loud if you have your volume up quite high. So I advise turning it down. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
So yeah, the water's heated up now, so now it's creating steam power to let the wheel go and spin.
Make the piston go, so it turns the wheel.
Yeah. Yeah, the bit up there will get a little bit hot as well because of the steam coming out of it. I'm pretty sure soon it might exhaust a lot of steam out of it, but I'm not sure because it hasn't got as much steam as we used last time. It's very loud though. Yeah. So now without the fire source heating up the steam, they should get less and less steam power, so it will make the wheel slow down till it just stops like that. I want to blow it out now. Now if you put it back in, let it heat up a little bit again, and spin the wheel, it should go again. I'm not sure whether I caught that on camera, it was hard to see. But I just blew out the flame, because it's fun.